Now, of course, we are not a Hindu nation, but what is extremely worrying today is that a Deputy Chief Minister, Sudhanshu Trivedi, a Deputy Chief Minister goes on camera and says we are a Hindu nation. A minister in a state government led by the BJP says after Narendra Modi comes in, we are going to become a Hindu nation. In Gujarat, you have an RSS fanatics books which have come out which proclaim that the map of India includes Pakistan and even Tibet, because that is the map of India that the RSS likes. This is not an RSS view of the world, Sudhanshu Trivedi. This is precisely what has been approved by the Gujarat school curriculum. It can't be accidental. In Moradabad, Sudhanshu Trivedi, the BJP and the VHP are trying desperately hard to polarize the situation, somehow polarize the situation over a loudspeaker being put in a temple. This is not accidental, Mr. Trivedi. Welcome to the debate, Sanjay Jha. Welcome to the debate, Tasleen Ahmad Rahmani. Welcome to the debate, Atul Kumar Anjan of the Communist Party of India and Rahul Ishwar, social activist from Thiruvananthapuram. Rahul Narvekar will join us. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you understand how serious the issue is, but you do nothing about it. Yesterday I asked you whether it is because you are scared of the RSS. Now, if it is because you are scared of the RSS, then I think you need to come and say that we are scared of the RSS. But you see, people still believe that it's the BJP which came to power, not the RSS.
Prior to beginning of the debate, I would like to say that since this debate is going to be me versus rest, so whenever I was
it will be right versus wrong.
Expect that some uninterrupted.
It will be right versus wrong.
So,
yes.
No. Yes, that is the matter of debate. The debate has to be for what is right and what is wrong. As far as BJP is concerned, we are of the firm opinion there should be no partiality on the basis of the communal line.
Are we a
India
Hindu
is not
nation?
a theocratic
Is India
state,
a Hindu
it is a
nation?
secular state from
Is
the
India
time
Hindu
immemorial.
Nation? Is India a Hindu
Second
nation?
thing, as far as the
is wrong in believing that
as far
India
as the
is a Hindu
incidences
nation?
are concerned,
Are we a Hindu nation?
in this context, you have to get the definition of both the words, the Hindu and the
don't
nation.
give me the definition.
As
We are
far as
not
the
a
word
Hindu
Hindu is
nation. We are a
concerned, in
secular
1995, the Supreme Court of India has already given in a judgment that Hindu is not a communal word. It signifies a way of life, which is an epitome of India and Indianness, nothing to do with religion, which has been categorically defined by Supreme Court of India in 1995.
No, one second.
Now,
you take
come to
recourse
the
to the
nation.
1995 judgment, and actually I would have expected, Mr. Trivedi, that you would have, when I asked you the question, is India a Hindu nation, I would have thought that you would have turned around and said, no, Arnab, you are absolutely wrong. Even in class 4, 5 level civics, we are taught that India is a secular nation. We are not a Hindu nation. And I want a response to this. We are a secular nation. We are not a Hindu nation. You may not like it. We will never be a Hindu nation. We will always be a secular nation. The RSS may not like you if you say we are a secular nation and not a Hindu nation. But then you must say so because you happen to be the party in power.
We are the secular nation.
You may take recourse in the December.
We are a secular nation in the true sense.
Sir, don't.
And we are the only nation in the world which is having all the religions. Like the Persians are only in India.
Sir, you understand, you see.
And India is the only country in the world in which all these 72 sects of Islam are there, all these sects of Christianity are there. The Persians are only there in India. India is a true secular country, I have said, from the ages immemorial. And the spirit of India or Indianness, which is responsible for this secular character, is somehow is being misinterpreted.
Sir, then the Goa Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza,
other thing which we consider
as
the
Goa Deputy Chief Minister
is the basic root cause of the secular character of India from centuries and from millenniums.
Sir, the Goa Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza has said openly that India is a Hindu country. He has said all Indians in Hindustan are Hindus.
BJP doesn't subscribe to any idea which represent India as a theocratic state.
Throw him out from your party. Exactly. Then you throw him out from your party. He's defied the constitution.
No.
Throw him out.
First go into the debates.
What is the debate on this? India is not a Hindu nation.
Easily go away with the definitions of the subject and impose your own self-made definitions and try to get the judgment based on that.
I'll tell you, I don't really know what definition you believe in. I believe in the preamble of the Indian Constitution that we, the people of India,
you believe my definition of the Supreme Court of India, I am saying.
India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Not a sovereign, socialist,
Supreme Court verdicts.
Hindu democratic republic. We're not a Hindu democratic republic. We're a secular democratic republic.
I'm not saying
Don't
that we
change
are a
the
Hindu
Supreme Court
republic.
verdict. Then
I
a
am
person
just saying
from your
that
party
Hindu is
says
not
the
a
other thing,
religion,
then
it is a way
correct
of
him and
life
they
which
take
is
action
defined by
against him.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. Sir, don't talk about the Supreme Court.
Brahmachari Siddheshwar Sai versus State of West Bengal, 1995. Supreme Court categorically said Hindu is a way of life.
Wrong.
Hindu is less of a community and more of a culture.
Wrong.
Hindu is less of a religion and more
Wrong.
of a civilization.
Wrong.
This is a land which belongs
Wrong.
to all. Belongs to Christians, Muslims and
Wrong.
Hindus.
That was
but
not the
remember,
judgment.
there is a Hindustan.
That was not the
this
judgment.
This
That
is
was
the
not the
essence.
judgment.
This is the essence.
That is not the
remember,
judgment.
he said
Goswami,
that is not the
you
judgment.
still Hindu.
What is the
That
national
means
symbol of
there is a
India?
Hindustani culture.
You're wrong. Both of you are wrong. It's not the judgment. You don't know what the Supreme Court said. Let me
At
correct
least
you.
I refuse to be
He
a
was
Hindu.
quoting P.B. Gajendra
I refuse
Gadkar,
to be a Hindu.
1965.
In English,
Mr.
I am
Rahul
an
Ishwar,
Indian.
Mr.
And
Rahul
in Hindi,
Ishwar,
I am a
no.
Bharatiya.
No,
I refuse to be a Hindu.
Yes, Mr. Nemani. Yes, please, Mr. Nemani. Go
I
ahead.
said I refuse to be a Hindu.
Yes.
In English language, I am an Indian. In Hindi language, I am a Bharatiya. There is no Hindustan exist at all as far as the Constitution of India is concerned. Either we are Bharat or we are in India. This is not Hindustan. So,
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा is still used.
That was an Urdu word. That is not an official word. That was a poetry.
That's okay, but this is the culture of this nation. The soul of a nation doesn't lie in papers. The soul of a nation doesn't lie in print work. It lies in the collective culture of a nation. We are only saying we are a civilization which has
we are
a
a
lot
civilization.
of so-called Hindu or Indian elements.
Sir,
We are a civilization of a cosmopolitan culture, of not a religious culture.
Mr.
And when India was a Hindu state, it was not
To
Akhand.
Mr. Ishwar. To
And
Mr.
Akhand
Ishwar, I want to say
can never
something.
be a theocratic state.
Tasneem
You must
ji.
understand. Even
Absolutely,
the days of Ram
absolutely.
Rajya, it was not Akhand Bharat those days of Ram Rajya.
Tasneem ji.
And it can never be an Akhand Bharat
Tasneem ji.
if it is a theocratic
No,
state.
Tasneem ji, let me correct Rahul Ishwar and Sudhanshu Trivedi. I think they need to be corrected, and I think they are not aware of the facts. So, by the way, don't mix up Hinduism with India being a Hindu country. Okay, the fact that a large part of our majority of our population is Hindu is a fact, but that does not make us a Hindu country. We are a secular country, and now Rahul, I'll tell you why you're wrong. I'll tell you why you're wrong, and I'd like to say this to all the viewers tonight. You can be a proud Hindu, right? But you cannot say India is a Hindu nation. Right? Practicing Hindus, we're all proud of our religion, but you cannot say we are a Hindu country. And where you and Sudhanshu Trivedi are wrong, Trivedi ji, I'll tell you where you are wrong. You are taking
Hindu
recourse.
doesn't mean religion.
Listen to me, no sir, go into detail on issues, don't skim the surface. You may take recourse to the 1995 December judgment of the Supreme Court to claim that Hinduism is a way of life. Fine. That judgment, by the way, that was not the judgment of the Supreme Court. For your kind information, it was an observation made while upholding the judgment of the High Court that had found Balasaheb Thackeray guilty of violating election procedures by appealing directly to religious sentiments. Okay, so I corrected your point number one. Point number two, the Supreme Court, in fact, Sudhanshu Trivedi, which is why I always tell politicians, don't be selective with me. The Supreme Court, in fact, Sudhanshu Trivedi went one step further and criticized Bal Thackeray for his speeches. You are being selective in your reading of the judgment. I can read the judgment to you. And so can all of us out
No,
here.
I'm not
That
selective. I'm
judgment
not
did not
here
say
to
Supreme
defend
Court
Bala
was India is a
Thackeray.
Hindu country.
I would like to ask
It did
one
not-
question.
It did not say that
You give a
India is
single
Hindu country.
definition of religion
Sir.
which is applicable to Hinduism. You give a single definition of religion, single aspect
Exactly.
of religion which is applicable to Hinduism.
Right.
One book, no.
There is no
One
single
God, no.
prophet,
One way
no
of worship,
single-
no.
No,
One
no.
style, no.
Exactly.
Then what is the definition?
Okay,
The Supreme
okay,
Court
so
was
my
very much
counter question
correct
to you.
in
So Sudhanshu
their
Trivedi,
remark.
take my counter question.
So then why you
It is
called
a
Hinduism
Take my
as a
counter
religion?
question. Take my counter question.
You give the definition of a
Take
religion
my counter question.
and
I want to
convince
see if
me
you answer
that
my
by
counter
this
question.
definition
Gentlemen, 1
Hinduism is
minute.
a religion.
Take my counter question. I take a counter question. Let me ask you a question. Is Proveen Togadia asking Muslims to remember Muzaffarnagar, the way of life that you talk Hinduism is about? Hinduism is a way of life. But if is Ashok Singhal questioning the survival of Muslim in the event they oppose Hindus a way of life? Is asking Muslims to give up their claims over Ayodhya and respect Hindu sentiments and threaten further Hindu consolidation a way of life? So it's not. What has happened is you mixed up the two. And I have just proven to you your flaw in
this
using
is
the
not
1995 Supreme Court judgment.
Gandhiji talking about Rama Rajya
Why
is a
want
Hindu
to add
way
one
of
more
life.
thing? Don't tell me about Rama
Vivekananda
Rajya.
speaking in Chicago
Is the
was a
political
Hindu
Don't
way
tell
of
me about
life.
Rama Rajya. I'll tell you.
When
here
you're-
doesn't mean
when
a
the- when in
communal
the
or
other
community
religions, so many
culture.
extremists
This is civilization.
are saying
one
what
second. You don't
even to the
denigrate
extent of
Hinduism.
damaging the nationalism. We are not
Don't
saying
denigrate
that
Hinduism.
This belongs to this
Mr.
religion.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, Mr. Trivedi
This
and
nation
Mr.
belongs
Ishwar.
to all.
Mr.
Christians,
Ishwar and
Muslims,
Mr.
Hindus and
Trivedi.
all people.
Mr. Ishwar and Mr. Trivedi, you see the worst thing you do is when you use your religion for your political advantage. Now there are a lot of people who say religion is a deeply personal thing and we don't want religion to be used for political advantage. In our country, politician after politician has used religion for
definitely
political
should not be
advantage,
used.
and now I have just proven in the course of Newsa, you can be a proud Hindu when you don't use your religion for your personal gain. When you use
person who coined
religion for
Hindutva,
personal and
Savarkar, was an
political
atheist.
gain, when you use religion
The
for
person who
when
coined
you
the
use-
whole word
when you-
Hindutva,
so when
Savarkar
you
was an
don't-
atheist.
So don't
So there
use,
is no question of
sir,
religion.
don't use religion. Don't use religion for political gain. Don't use religion to divide. Hinduism does not tell you.
Yes, of
that
course, the religion
Hinduism
should never
does not
be used
tell
for political gains.
Sir,
Then the Prime Minister of India should not have said Muslims should have first right over the natural resources of India. Then the Congress in 1988 Mizoram Manifesto should not have mentioned that if they get the power, they will try to rule by the Catholic religion.
No, first of all,
It should not
first
be
of all,
used
nobody
by
has-
any.
Mr.
And
Trivedi,
BJP, I can say with firm conviction,
Mr. Trivedi.
has never used that we will try to
by
follow
the way,
the Hindu
Mr.
dictates
Trivedi,
and other
no,
like the
Mr.
Congress has
Trivedi,
said
but
for
do you-
Muslims
do you-
and for
do you
Christians.
do you condemn
And
the
this is not
Goa
what I am
Deputy
saying.
Minister
This
statement?
is the report
Do
of
you
Mr.
condemn-
A.K. Antony,
do you
which has
condemn the
been
Goa Chief Minister
constituted by
statement?
Congress party to finding the reasons for defeat. That Congress got
Trivedi,
themselves
it's against
too
the
much
party
identified with
principle,
one
whatever the
religion.
God
This is the
Deputy
report of
Minister
A.K.
is
Antony.
speaking.
This is not me which I'm saying.
So this is
One
this is a
thing,
non. I thought this was a non-starter of a debate when I began. One second, gentlemen. I thought this was a non-starter of the debate.
Sudhanshu
No,
ji.
I thought this was a non-starter of a debate because I thought that Sudhanshu Trivedi would come on TV and say that I'm ashamed that a person like a deputy chief minister of a state should say India is a Hindu country. We're a secular country.
He's a Christian.
Whether
So
he's a
what?
Christian
So what?
or whatever, he's
Even if he is a Muslim
how
or
does it
Hindu
matter
or
what he
Christian, so
says?
what?
Atul Kumar Anjan has come. Atul Kumar, welcome to the debate. Atul Kumar Anjan wants to respond. Sanjay Jha wanted to come back on a couple of points earlier. Now, I want to remind you, questioning the loyalty of Sania Mirza is not make you a good Hindu. You guys have got it all wrong. Pelting stones at policemen, communalizing politics for their advantage does not make you a good Hindu. You've got it all wrong. Telling Muslims, remember Muzaffarnagar, does not make you a good Hindu. You've got it all wrong. In fact, your understanding of Hinduism,
We
Mr.
totally
Sudhanshu
condemn
Trivedi,
this type of statement.
Mr.
Bharatiya Janata Party never
Sudhanshu
approved this
Trivedi,
type
your
of statement.
understanding of Hinduism is
This
very
try to
narrow.
terrorize any community.
You don't look at Hinduism and you want to look at Hinduism, how do I use it for political consolidation? Now, forget your political consolidation for a moment. Don't disrespect the religion.
We believe in Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu, not Hindu Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.
So it does not say that, you know, when you force feed a Muslim employee during his fast, that does not comply with the theory that you have put out there. Pelting stones at policemen
That's
does
a
not.
personal
That does
high-handedness.
not.
We need not communalize.
So don't avoid the question. What is happening? And saying to people, don't blow candles on birthday cakes, it is not Indian. Saying that Tibet is part of India, we redraw the map of India to make Tibet Akhand Bharat a part of India and putting it in the school curriculum is teaching wrong things to people. It's not right. And these are not things which are happening accidentally. You understand that, look at the issue in detail. Don't use religion in such a brazen manner, I'm saying. You'll be exposed. Atul Kumar Anjan wanted to come in. Atul Kumar
Arnav.
Anjan. Atul Kumar Anjan, please.
Okay.
वो कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपको सर?
I just want to
आप प्लीज रिलीजन को इस तरह से उसका प्रयोग मत कीजिए, राजनीतिक प्रयोग जो कर रहे हैं आप रिलीजन का उसका मत कीजिए. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, Atul Kumar Anjan wants to say something to you.
You see, one thing, we quite often say that the China or Pakistan is referring our territory in their maps. And then we go and protest. There is uproar many times inside the parliament in the both houses. And the people of India also express this anguish and pain. What will happen today or tomorrow when the state-owned textbooks will convey this message and depict that one. The Afghanistan, the Burma, the Nepal, and the Bangladesh, they are all the part of India.
Exactly.
Do you think it will have a good effect? Our friendship with the neighbor countries will be further emboldened, or this way we are creating a nonsense atmosphere about our country. Neighboring countries will feel something different. A vast population, they will think about us? And then one thing, what sort of things we are trying to put before our children? We are putting a sort of nafrat, and with that we want to go. I think it is not good. This is the way in Ayodhya things started. Things started in Ayodhya like that, the way in Moradabad things have started. And I think in this country, I just want to say, Sudhanshu ji, if you want to dethrone the UP government of Samajwadi Party, if you want to make a president rule, do it directly, but don't polarize the people of Uttar Pradesh to 22 crore. Don't play this politics there. And that's the point I want to tell you. And the another point I just want to tell you, okay, if you think that the RSS has already hijacked the entire BJP and they will dictate, then I tell you, this country will face such a situation that you will never imagine, and you will also be dethroned from the party.
It's a valid question.
From this center stage.
It's a valid question. It's a valid question, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
You have got a mandate.
No,
you got a mandate.
Yeah.
You got a mandate. There is a constitution. There is a holy book. Let's also try to understand that book, and according to first time in the history, you got the full majority. Your own. Your friends are there.
Yes.
Take it and do whatever claims you have done, whatever claims you have made to the people, without destroying the social fabric of this country, without destroying the communal, without destroying without destroying the constitution. And it is you who is responsible for Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, and
Sudhanshu Trivedi, why are you doing
their broader unity?
No.
It is you are having
Constitution was sidelined in Shah Bano case.
Why does the Shah Bano
See, if you check history,
It is ironical.
if you check history, we can have a lot of instances of both.
Atul Kumar Anjan said
Yes, Sudhanshu ji.
Rahul Ishwar, no, 1 minute. Rahul Ishwar, we have discussed the Shah Bano case on this program, and we have said very clearly that it was one step away from India going towards the Uniform Civil Code, which is not a bad idea. It can be looked at. But and we have also questioned why 60 years after the Constitution was framed and more than 60 years after that, we have not been able to have a Uniform Civil Code. But I request you, Mr. Rahul Ishwar, I find very often that you have a certain tendency. When you realize that you have no arguments left, when you realize you are totally cornered, you pick up the Shah Bano case. If you want to discuss the Shah Bano case, you and I can debate it ad nauseum. I presumably know a little bit more about it than you.
See, there is no denying the fact that there are
that does not take away. No, that does not take away now. Now the question is this. That does not, I want to ask the BJP, it is here to rule the country or to create trouble? If you are here to rule the country, we want peace. No, 1 minute, Sudhanshu Trivedi. हमें peace चाहिए. हमें दंगा फसाद नहीं चाहिए. We don't want a fight. We don't want bloodshed. I want to ask you, and everybody will ask you, why are you so hell-bent over this one loudspeaker in one temple in a predominantly Muslim area of Moradabad district in Uttar Pradesh that you have been desperately trying to communalize it? I am told tomorrow BJP leaders are going to Moradabad. क्यों कर रहे हैं आप ऐसा? You don't think people will see through it? Sanjay Jha, I'll come to you after that. I just want to hear.
And I appeal to the UP government to give a befitting reply. I appeal to the UP government to give a befitting reply. If they destroy the peace and tranquility over there.
You are saying there is no religious freedom. आप कह रहे हैं हम VHP
I would have appreciated if Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan has said the same word when Supreme Court of India in the observation has said that it was the Uttar Pradesh government which was responsible for Muzaffarnagar riots. It is not me.
So no, does it give you the opportunity to do it all over again?
TV channel,
but
which
why
has
are you doing it all over again?
Initiated Muzaffarnagar riots.
Why are you?
This is the irony of the situation.
Does that give you the right to provoke?
That it has been consistently blamed by BJP. Let me complete the sentence. Let me complete the sentence. Let me complete the sentence. As far as the riots are concerned, if something happens in Gujarat,
you have courage.
Let me complete the sentence.
You have courage.
There is a very unique phenomena which has been devised by the so-called secularists. If
You
something
have
happens in
courage.
Gujarat, we are responsible
Do you have
because we are in the
courage
power. If something
to
happens in
suspend the government of
something
Uttar
happens
Pradesh?
in Bihar, we are responsible
have a
because we
courage
are in the
to
main
suspend the
opposition party.
government of Uttar
Something
Pradesh?
happens in Uttar Pradesh, where neither
no.
opposition nor in power, we are responsible. Something happens in Kishtwada, we are responsible. Something happens in Hyderabad, we are responsible
I'm
because we
telling
are
you.
opposition. Now we are
Answer the
responsible
question.
because we are power.
I'm
The basic
telling you.
responsibility is the
Answer
secular
the question.
parties
Your
which are
ideas,
playing the
your
blatant
thoughts.
communal politics
Your
which has
communal
created the
passion,
department
your
such
communal
I am
atmosphere
asking
of
one
hatred.
One second.
And I would also like to ask one more thing.
So many reports.
1 minute, one at a time.
being
prove that you
a colonial mindset.
Your communal approach.
No, this is not the
is
RSS mindset.
responsible. Your
Arnav, you
communal
have said
approach is
that
responsible.
we
Your
should have said
your
first that we
communal
are
approach
ashamed
is
of saying this.
responsible.
The reason being because of the colonial legacy and the
Colonial
colonial history
legacy?
which has been taught.
1 minute.
We ourselves have become
You have
One minute.
targeted and we have become ashamed
One minute.
of ourselves.
No,
Hindu or Indian or whatever it is.
1 minute, 1 minute.
have
Just
become
one
ashamed of cultural
Gentlemen,
heritage.
gentlemen, calm down for a minute, please.
You want to
Calm down for a
destroy the
minute,
unity
please.
of
Just
the
Calm
gentlemen,
down for a
I-
minute.
To destroy
Yes.
the unity of the
Calm
country.
down for a
You
minute.
have
Let
faith
me
in
come.
constitution?
You are trying to
I
play
first
a
asked,
game
you have faith in
of the
constitution?
What is happening in
You are
Moradabad?
playing a game of
Do you know
imperialists.
how
You
many-
want
how many
balkanization of
pictures are
India.
there in
Your
constitution
policies are
and whom
for
they
the
represent?
destroying the unity of the country.
This is not the policy of destruction. This is your policy, which has taken country to such a situation.
You see, I'll tell you one thing.
No,
Today,
you
what is
are the
happening
friends
is
of
this
Dr.
tweedledee,
Kissinger,
tweedledum.
who said after
Atul Kumar
Bangladesh
Anjanji,
that we don't
Anjanji,
know
ek
how
minute.
to make 10 Bangladesh in India. You are the people like this. Mr. Sudhanshu, you are the follower of Dr. Kissinger, who said after Bangladesh war that we know how to make 10 Bangladesh in India. With your communal approach, you want to break the unity of the country.
Atul Kumar Anjan, my question is, I think
I don't want to go into the details. When the Communist Party has supported Britishers in 1942, they supported partition in 47, they supported China invasion in 62, and even they were with the democracy, murder of democracy in 1975. So they should not teach us the lesson of nationalism. So I don't want to go into that debate.
And your RSS chief Devras apologized before the country and went before Indira Gandhi, and they all came out. You want to say that you are the savior of democracy?
And it was Congress Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri who invited RSS for Republic Day parade in 1966 because of their immense contribution during 1965 war. We were not like you people who were sitting with the China during 1962 war. We were with the Indian Army with 1965 war, which has been acknowledged by the then Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri.
After Gandhi's murder, you people, you are the follower of Nathuram Godse, killer of the father of the nation. And you people were slapped. You were not allowed in 1947, 48, 49, 50.
This is a propaganda going for long without any meaning.
It is the RSS. It is the RSS.
I 1 minute.
This is the consistent propaganda since 67 years, which you failed to prove either in the court of law or in the hearts of people.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, hearts of people are fine. Let me come in, please. Both of you, 1 minute, gentlemen. Both of you, please. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me, gentlemen. I want to ask you.
also made the place in the hearts of people.
I am asking you today.
He's been, you see,
I am asking you.
He's become the icon of all sorts of, you see, miseries and inhuman acts.
Atul Kumar Anjan.
You are the follower of the Hitler.
Atul Kumar Anjan. Just 1 minute, please, both of you. Can I just
RSS
come in?
and BJP,
Atul ji,
they
1
are
minute,
the followers
please.
of the Hitler, and we will not allow Hitler
Okay,
in this
now
country.
Atul ji, please calm down for a minute. I have a very relevant question. I think Sudhanshu Trivedi avoided my question.